When you're ordered to pay child support, it's extremely important to keep detailed records of each payment that you make. This way you're protected in case the mother of your child accuses you of failing to pay, which can lead to you being held in contempt of court, fined, and possibly even given a prison sentence. Cordell & Cordell Tulsa attorney Colby Pierce says there are several different ways to track your child support, but the best way is to use your state's child support registry.
In Oklahoma and I'm sure many other states, there is a child support registry. This is the best way to document child support payments, unless the parties agree otherwise. And most divorce decrees in the state, there goes into effect what's called an income or wage assignment. And many people see this as a bad thing. Many people see that their employer is garnishing their wages and it's paid to the state, taken directly out of their paycheck. However, and I stress this to many of my clients, that there's no better way to document that you're making your child support payments than through the child support registry. There's an online database that you can access at any time, and there's a log showing when those payments were made and how much those payments were. And it takes the stress out of it all. I mean, it takes the requirement of the party to actually physically write out a check each and every month away.
Another common way to track your payments is through personal check, in which case Pierce says it's important to note in the memo line that the check is being used to pay for child support. Of course, there are individuals who insist on paying in cash only, but Pierce says even in those instances, it's possible to track your payments.
And there's always the client that really doesn't like to do those types of things. They still just really trust cash as the one thing they have and the one thing they like to make payments on. And I understand that. We get those clients here and there. The one recommendation we always give to our clients who really just insist on paying cash is that you want to get a receipt signed by the person that you're paying child support for every month that you make those payments. And you want to have them sign a receipt acknowledging that you have paid the amount owed, and then that make sure that receipt is dated.
To visit more articles with tips on how to track your child support payments, visit dadsdivorce.com. That'll do it for another episode. I'm Sean Garrison, editor of dadsdivorce.com. Thank you for watching.